everyone, this side Aditi Gupta, Data Analytics Mentor, and this video is very important for each and every one of you who is listening because we are going to talk about Application Tracking System, which is ATS. I know most of you have heard this term before, and that's why you are searching about this ATS friendly resume and kind of stuffs. So guys, understand one thing. What is ATS and how it is, used by the companies and how it is beneficial for the employers as well and the recruiters too. So let's talk about 360 degree regarding ATS. ATS stands for Application Tracking System. For an example, let's say TCS wants to hire 50 data analysts or 50 Power BI developers. So when it comes to the HR team of the TCS, they will get thousands and lakhs of resume for the same, okay, for the freshers, for working professionals, and from the different domain departments, okay. So if TCS wants to hire 50 Power BI developers or a data analyst from thousands of resume, so they will not do that manually. They will not do the resume checking manually. Each and everything will be done by system. And that particular system is called Application Tracking System, okay, which is ATS. Now understand one thing. This is not the only case with TCS, but when it comes to Capgemini, Deloitte, HCL, KPMG, McKinsey, you talk about any service-based company or the product-based company as well. Let's say Netflix. Netflix post there on their Telegram channel or on their LinkedIn channel that Netflix is hiring data analysts, okay? So they will get lakhs of resume, right, from all over the world. Now, if they wants to select only the top 10 resume, how they will gonna do that? Application tracking system will select top 100 for them, and out of top 100 they will select manually top 5. This is possible, but selecting out of thousands and lakhs, selecting top 5 and top 100, it is very difficult from them. So that's why application tracking system comes into picture, so that each and everything will be done in a very smoothly and it's a complete automated process as well. It is making the work of the HR department simple, okay? And if companies are selecting resume through application tracking system, in that case, as a employer, okay, you all need to create a resume which is suitable for that particular system, okay? So understand one thing. When it comes to application tracking system, okay, now there are some guidelines to create a resume when it comes to which can be suitable for this particular system. Understand one thing. In the resume, you don't need to use a lot of images. You don't need to use a lot of links. You don't need to use a lot of tables, or you don't need to use a lot of spaces. You don't need to use videos like most of the students will just upload a video testimonial on their resume. You don't need to do that, because anything which can't be read by the system or by the computer, by the machine learning, okay, you are not eligible to use all these particular terms in your resume. So make sure that your resume will be very simple, as simple as that. Like, you just need to use a proper font, proper text, and if possible you can use a very bit icons to just make a pointers in your resume. That's it. You can use maximum your images. When it comes to data analyst resume, I see like students upload their dashboard screenshot in the resume itself, and all the project links in the resume. A lot of GitHub link, Novipro link, LinkedIn link, like tons of links and tons of images. And especially it's for data analyst, business analyst, Power BI developer resume. You don't need to use a lot of images. You don't need to use a lot of links in your resume, okay, if you want to create an application tracking system friendly resume. Okay, so that is literally very important, that if you create your next resume, it needs to be very simple. Now the question arises, Aditi, how we can create a ATS friendly resume? Can you please provide some templates, or how we can just create it within 5 to 10 minutes? So for that, I have a complete solution for each and every one of you. Okay. So have you maybe heard the term Canva? Okay. So Canva is an application which can be run on web and on the app as well. And using Canva, you can create your resume. Okay. And if you want, I prefer that you can create your resume on the PDF or on the Word, Microsoft Word. If you can create your resume, that would be great, because it is easily readable by the systems and by the computer languages as well. So I will put one resume template in the description as well. You can check that out in the doc format. Or if you want to create a resume using Canva, you can do that. Okay. So let me do one thing for each and every one of you. This is a website which is called as Canva, where you can see that there are multiple resume templates and you can use any template as per your convenience. But I will share two templates with you all in here. The first is this one. Okay, so if you are fresher and if you want to create a resume for a data or business analyst position, then you can use this particular template as well, where you will see you can customize your name and there will be a proper profile, your address details, your important links, your images about yourself, all the skills you have. And as you are a completely fresher, you don't have a past experience, right? In that case, you can use internships and projects and the education. So this is one of the template you can use as a fresher. And if you want, there is also one more template as a working professional as well. And this one is a template which is highly recommendable. Okay, because an application tracking system, you need to create a resume where you are ignoring images, you are ignoring using a lot of links as well. So as you can see that you can use a proper we can say Jacqueline, whatever the name you want to put in your resume, and a proper details, summary, work experience, education, and all the additional information as well. Okay, so make sure that for working experience or for a working professional, this is a highly recommendable resume. Okay, so if you want, guys, you can create the same resume in the Canva and you can customize this template as well. Let's say I have written Aditi Gupta in here. You can customize anything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will put this particular links in the description. You can check that out. You can create your resume by your own. And if you want, you can create a resume on the Word, on Canva, anywhere you can use, but make sure that you ignore using images, ignore using links, ignore using a lot of tables, ignore using, a proper dashboard images and a lot of links. Let's say if you have a NoviPro link, Drive link, GitHub link, Linktree link, LinkedIn link, don't use a lot of links. In your resume, you can use just two links, which is a LinkedIn and portfolio link. That's it. Okay. So you can use these particular resume as well to create, and make sure that you start creating your resume from today and give your 100% to create your resume. Make sure that highly recommendable resume is this one. Okay, you can check this template on the Canva as well. This is a highly recommendable resume for each and every one of you, like you are a student, fresher, or a working professional. Try to create this particular resume, and for sure, like if you like this particular video, make sure that you like, comment, and share with the concerned person who are looking forward to create an amazing resume. Once you create this sort of resume, you will get a maximum interview calls, you will get a maximum job opportunities. This is for sure in all the big product and service based companies. Okay, I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you will get all the information about my upcoming videos as well. Bye bye, have fun, please take care until then.